something my daughter does that gets on my absolutely last nerve. If I say something, oh, she ain't gonna never let it go. She gonna remind me of that every 14 seconds. She be like, Daddy, can I have some ice cream today? I'm like, yeah, sometime today we can get you some ice cream. Oh, why did I say that? 20 seconds later, Daddy, can I have ice cream? Daddy, can I have ice cream? Daddy, you said we could have some ice cream. Daddy, that's McDonald's. McDonald's has ice cream. Daddy, that's a grocery store. We can get ice cream there. Daddy, I saw a cone at the house. Can we put ice cream in it? Daddy, can you make us some ice cream? Daddy, I really like ice cream. Daddy, do you know that ice cream is really tasty? Daddy, don't you like ice cream? Girl, let's go get some ice cream. My goodness. I give her the ice cream to make her shut up. Sometimes we got to do our daddy like that. And we have to remind him, God, this is what you said. This was your promise. This is what you revealed. This was in your scripture. This is what you told us. This is what you showed me. This is what you said you would do if I did that. So God, I'm seeking the kingdom. I need you to carry your end of the bargain. I'm just here as your child reminding you of what you said, and I'm not going to stop talking about it until you reveal yourself in what you told me you were going to do.